Human rights movements. Human rights are those rights which are inherent to the human beings is entitled to enjoy without distinction of race, color, religion, language, gender, birthplace, social, economic, political and other status. Rights relating to life, liberty, equality and dignity of individual guaranteed under the Constitution or embodied or expressed in international covenant or international agreement and enforceable or acceptable by court. But violations of human rights in many of the countries have led to international organizations to take measures to protect them at global level. Hence, Universal Declaration of Human Rights UDHR was accepted on 10th December 1948 by United Nations through its resolution or decision. So the basic purpose behind this is general interest. The practice of natural rights encompasses political, economic, social justice, freedom of speech, equality, respect to all, right against exploitation, right against gender-based inequality, religious faith without interference. So let's see definition of human rights according to Justice Nagendra Singh. Respect for human rights, personality and its absolute worth regardless of color, race, sex are the very foundation of human rights. And according to Justice M.N. Venkatachalaya, this name you have heard before in the previous chapter. So according to him, human rights are in all nature and without which we cannot live as human beings. The violation of human rights is multifarious or numerous. So here comes what are the causes of human rights. They are number 1, to protect civil liberty. All men are born equally and they have the liberty to shape their lives. Constitution of India guaranteed these rights in part 3rd to citizen. But in actual practices, Dalits, women and children are being suppressed and exploited. To avoid such atrocities or cruelties, human rights activists are struggling hard to create awareness. Number 2, to remove slavery. Slavery is constitutionally banned but is actually in many parts of the country. Instances like child labor, bonded labors, etc. are seen frequently, hence agitations become inevitable or unavoidable. Number 3, to protect family life. Every citizen has a right to family life. Due to modernization, youth are heading towards intercaste and interreligious marriages. Elders of family to maintain family respect and values go even to extend Maryada Hatye. Maryada Hatye means honor killing. For example, if a girl or a daughter marry a man of other religion or caste, for the sake of honor or Maryada, they used to kill that girl. That's what known as Maryada Hatye. Dowry harassment many times ends up in either suicide or murder. Number 4, to protect the rights of Dalits. The causes which affected Dalits are injustice, atrocities, social ostracism, that means by socially exclusion, Madhe Madhe Snana. So this Madhe Madhe Snana in South India, especially in Karnataka, so it is a communal meal for people of all sex during special religious occasion. These meals are typically of traditional South Indian variety where Hindu people are served food over plantain or banana leaf on the temple floor. So the ritual of Madhe Madhe Snana, here all devotees rolling over plantain or banana leaves where one's food has been taken by Brahmin. After that, these devotees then take to holy dip in nearby Kumaradhara river, after which ritual is said to be complete. So this practice is said to be done more than 500 years. So it believes that this ritual rids one's on bad karma, skin diseases and so on. So at present it is illegal. So next one, the Dalits are forced to carry night soils by upper caste. So this night soils means what? It is collection of human excreta from closets, pit latrine, etc. Or it can be told as untreated excreta transported without water via container or bucket. Number 5, reject to file cases. though the aggrieved or suffered person approaches the authorities to file the case. It is not filed due to interference of some politician of dominant caste. Most of the time, the authorities do not respond positively and do not provide medical aid, which is urgently required. Hence, such cases do not come to limelight. Political implication of human rights. Number 1. National Human Rights Commission (NHRC). So, the National Human Rights Commission came into existence on 8th January 1994. So, it consisting of a chairman who is retired or sitting Chief Justice of India along with the members. So, what this commission has to do? So, this commission has to prepare a list of human rights and get approval by the government whenever violation is done. Systematic inquiries are to be conducted and transparencies or proof should be maintained with the help of judiciary. The commission has to enact or pass new laws whenever the existing laws do not cater or serve to the needs of the inquiry. While doing so, it has to respect the prevailing international laws, contracts and resolutions or decisions. Number 2. State Human Rights Commission. As per the Human Rights Act of India, each state is authorized to establish a State Human Rights Commission consisting of chairman who is retired or sitting Supreme Court judge or Chief Justice of High Court along with members. As per direction of the Act, which Act? This Human Rights Act. The commission was set up in Karnataka in 2005 in the same model to that of national level. Number 3. Child rights. Violation of human rights, particularly on child rights, are seen everywhere. The Deputy Commissioner is authorized to look into the detail of exploitation of children. So here the DC or Deputy Commissioner is authorized to look into the detail of exploitation of children. So here the measures are to be taken to register the complaints through a child helpline in matters relating to child labor, child abuse, encouraging begging and others. Number 4. Creating awareness. Through speedy disposal or removal of grievances or injustice. So this registered commission like National Human Rights Commission, State Human Rights Commission, Child Rights Commission, that means Child Helpline. So through this, the registered commission at different level proves that the people are definitely aware of the movements and its achievement. So this human rights movement have gone long way in providing peaceful and happy life by creating awareness and remedies for the grievances.